handling other special situations. In case the voter's name features in the ASD list, greater care should be taken for thoroughly establishing his or her identity before allowing him or her to vote. Here's a list of other such situations and how to handle them. Firstly, if a voter refuses to observe the scheduled voting procedure or violates the secrecy of voting, even after being warned by you, take back his slip and do not allow him to vote. Put the comment "Not allowed to vote" in the remarks column in the Register of Voters or Form 17A. Put your full signature below the entry. Also make an entry in this regard in the presiding officer's diary. Here's an elector who, after duly entering his electoral roll number and giving his thumb impression or signature, has decided not to vote in favor of any candidate. Ravi advises him to use Nota option in case the elector decides not to vote in favor of any candidate. The provision of Nota, introduced in compliance of the recent Honorable Supreme Court order, ensures that there is secrecy of even not to vote. The PRO as well as other officers on election duty can cast their votes through postal ballot or election duty certificate (EDC). Public servants on election duty are generally not assigned polling duties in their home constituencies. In case they are not posted within the constituency where they are registered as voters, they need to use postal ballots for casting their votes. The process of postal balloting is facilitated for poll personnel in advance of the poll day by the returning officer. Many a times for Lok Sabha elections and in some cases during assembly elections, officials may be put on election duty in the same constituency in which they are registered as voters. These personnel cast their votes using election duty certificates. An official who is deployed in a particular polling station within his constituency can cast his vote at that polling station using the EDC issued to him. An official not deployed at a specific polling station but doing election work within his constituency on the poll day, or one whose duty has been cancelled subsequent to issuance of EDC to him, can cast his or her vote at any polling station within his or her constituency other than the one at which he or she is enrolled using EDC issued to him or her. The PRO has to collect the EDC issued to such a voter before allowing him or her to cast his or her vote. He also needs to make corresponding entries in Form 17A, 17C and Presiding Officer's Diary.